Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's video. Now, I've gotten so many requests to do this, a starting point for all the guys who are dealing with Bootstrap version 5, and I wanted to do this at a much later date, but I figured, you know what, I don't have many projects ongoing at the moment. I might as well just give you guys the best starting point in Laravel version 12 with Bootstrap version 5. And here, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. So as you can see, we are just on our default starting point with our Laravel version 12 homepage. But if we go to login, we have our login over here. And this is a custom login using Bootstrap version 5. And of course, you know, you can see definitely if we come in here and log in, we can go to our dashboard. And of course, now this is our dashboard with the Bootstrap Jetstream template and all that kind of stuff, because this is actually using Jetstream. And then we have also our profile page. Now, as you can see, our profile page, it is not enabled with profile photos, but you can actually enable it through the Jetstream configuration. All you just need to do is, I'm just going to come in here and open this in the code. And all you just need to do is go to your config, go to your Jetstream, and then you go out here and enable profile photos like so. Okay, so just to zoom in so that you can definitely see. You can see these features inside jetstream.php. Inside the config file, you enable these features by uncommenting it. And then once you save it and then you refresh this page, you have your point where you can upload your profile photo. Every other thing works just the way Jetstream was enabled to work. And you can go ahead, even two-factor authentication has been enabled. So I'm just going to come in here and open it. And you can definitely see that we have our enabled two-factor authentication ready. All we just need to do is put in our code and verify, and that's it. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is the starting point that I am giving to all of you, and it's public right now on GitHub. Go to my Nyanumba Codes GitHub, go ahead and star it, go ahead and fork it if you want to edit some changes and whatnot. I'm releasing this all to you. It doesn't really matter. This didn't take me long. It didn't take me long. I did this 18 hours ago. All right. I did this 18 hours ago and I released it 18 hours ago as well as an initial package. But I'm going to add more features. I'm going to add more perspective so that you guys can have a better starting point than what I've already provided over here, because this is very basic, but as much as it's basic, it's also very useful. It stops you from dealing with all the nitty-gritties when it comes to starting an application. So I have released this. This is Nyanumba Codes Bootstrap Livewire Start Point, and it's using Livewire with Jetstream. So for those guys who are asking where is the Jetstream with inertia, with Vue and React, I will do that as well. So give me another week and we will be doing this. Another week, and also I'll be doing this at 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers. 20 of you guys need to subscribe. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll be doing the React and the Vue in 1,000 subscribers. At the point when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will release that package without fail. So with that said, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to bid you guys a farewell. Please do indeed stay tuned to the next videos. I'll see you guys in the next ones. And as always, may God bless you all.